Want to lose fat, hit harder, and feel more confident? These 8 kickboxing moves are powerful, easy to learn, and super effective. Let's jump right into it. Kickboxing is more than just throwing punches and kicks. It's a full-body training system. You burn fat, build lean muscle, and learn how to defend yourself, all at once. With every combo you throw, you're building balance, power, and speed. Kickboxing improves your cardio, tones your core, and sharpens your focus like nothing else. The best part? You don't need to be a pro. These 8 moves are the core of what many fighters use in real bouts, but they're designed here to help anyone, especially beginners, level up. All you need is consistency, effort, and the drive to show up. Ready? Let's start building your striking foundation, move by move. The jab-cross combo is the first move every fighter learns, and for good reason. It's fast, controlled, and deadly when used right. From your stance, keep your knees slightly bent and your hands up at chin level. Snap out your jab quickly with your lead hand, making sure to retract it fast. Then immediately follow with your rear cross, twisting your hips and back foot for maximum power. This combo teaches you timing, rhythm, and how to keep your distance. It's used by boxers and kickboxers at every level. Keep your core tight and your chin tucked. It's not just about speed, it's about precision. Do this 50 times a day and feel how much smoother and sharper you get in a week. The Roundhouse Kick is one of the most iconic strikes in martial arts. It's all about fluidity and hip power. To do it right, pivot your front foot outward, swing your rear leg in a circular motion, and strike with your shin, not your foot. Your shin delivers more damage and keeps you safer. Target the thigh, ribs, or even the head, depending on your flexibility. While kicking, keep your guard up and eyes on the target. This move is amazing for breaking an opponent's stance or slowing down their movement. It also builds flexibility and control in your hips and legs. UFC champion Joanna Jedrzejczyk uses this strike over and over to wear opponents down. Aim to do 20 clean reps on each leg with perfect technique and balance. It's about control, not speed. The Teep, or front push kick, is one of the most underrated tools in kickboxing. Think of it like a jab with your foot. Raise your lead knee up, then push your foot out straight toward your opponent's midsection. You're not trying to knock them out. You're pushing them back and controlling space. Use the ball of your foot, not your toes. Fighters like Rodtang dominate fights using just this one move. It throws opponents off balance, stops forward pressure, and resets your pace. It's also fantastic for building your balance and core strength. Make sure you return your foot back to stance quickly. Don't leave yourself open. Do 10 reps per leg with control and focus on posture. The Teep teaches you distance control, which is key for real self-defense. Now let's add some firepower. The switch knee. It's fast, explosive, and a fight-ending strike when done right. Start in your stance, then switch your feet in one motion while driving your rear knee upward into your target. Aim for the body or even the head, depending on your flexibility and control. This is a close-range move, great for clinch work or finishing combinations. Use your hips to generate lift and swing your hands to stay balanced. Fighters like Chris Cyborg have ended fights with this exact strike. It's a rhythm-based move, so start slow, then build up speed as your body adjusts. Practice it 10 to 15 times per side with full focus. If you're ever in a close exchange, the switch knee can flip the fight instantly. The spinning backfist looks flashy, but it's all about surprise and precision. Take a small step forward with your lead foot, rotate your back foot and shoulders, then whip your rear fist across in a tight arc. Your eyes should stay on the target until the last second. Your non-striking hand should stay up to protect your face. If done wrong, you leave yourself open. But if done right, it's fast, powerful, and unexpected. Fighters like Valentina Shevchenko have landed clean knockouts using it. The key is control, don't rush it. Practice this with a focus on balance first, then power. A well-timed spinning back fist can change the outcome of any match. The overhand right is a knockout punch in its purest form. It's perfect against taller opponents or those who rely on straight punches. From your stance, dip slightly to the side, like you're faking a body shot. Then whip your rear hand in a looping motion over the top. Use your legs and hips for force, not just your arm. This shot lands right over your opponent's guard and can finish a fight in seconds. Think of legends like Dan Henderson. This was his go-to. Keep your chin tucked, feet grounded, and eyes locked in. Pad work helps you build timing, so use it often. When this lands, the lights go out. The liver shot is painful, sneaky, and brutally effective. Stand close, Bend your knees slightly and drive your lead hand like a hook into your opponent's right side, just under the ribs. Use your hips and legs to rotate into the punch. When this shot lands, it causes a delayed reaction. Your opponent might stand for a moment, then drop. Bas Rutten used this technique to end fights cleanly. This isn't a flashy strike, but it wins fights. Practice on a heavy bag and focus on angle and power. It's a smart weapon that adds fight IQ to your game. Master this, and you'll have a tool most people overlook. The low kick, or leg kick, is one of the most damaging tools in striking. From your stance, swing your back leg into your opponent's thigh, just above the knee. Pivot your front foot and rotate your hips for power. This move weakens their base, slows them down, and takes the spring out of their step. Fighters like Jose Aldo made careers off it. If you land it hard enough a few times, your opponent will start limping. Or worse, stop throwing kicks of their own. Recover quickly after the strike and stay balanced. It's simple, powerful, and works at every level of fighting. That's your 8-move kickboxing toolkit. Everything from fast jabs to powerful leg kicks and sneaky liver shots. These moves build strength, improve cardio, and sharpen your fighting instincts. Don't rush to learn them all at once. Start with 1 or 2. Practice them daily, and your body will respond fast. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite move? What do you want to see broken down next? If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more fight training tips and breakdowns. This is just the beginning of your kickboxing journey. Train smart, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next round, champ.